To remove a sim sleeve from a SIMBODIES mannequin, simply grab the edge of the silicone sleeve and pull it off the mannequin like shown here. To remove a hand or foot from your SIMBODIES mannequin, simply lift the upper part of the appendage and gently screw the hand or foot off. To apply an amputation sleeve to the arm or leg of your SIMBODIES mannequin, pull back the loose silicone part of the sleeve and you will notice a white single line connector in the blood tube of the amputation. Line that up with the blood tube of the appendage you are attaching the amputation to, and then roll the loose silicone sleeve up over the appendage. To reattach a hand or foot back on your mannequin, line up the metal post with the hole in the appendage and gently screw the hand or foot back on in 4 or 5 rotations. Do not reattach the hand or foot too tight, and a small gap in the silicone is expected. To reapply a sim sleeve to the appendage of your SIMBODIES mannequin, turn the sleeve inside out and lightly dust with the transparent setting powder and brush found in your maintenance kit. Also use the brush to apply the powder to the SIMBODIES appendage to prevent the sleeve from sticking as you reapply it. Then, with the sleeve up over your hand and still inside out, grab the hand or foot of the mannequin and pull the sleeve down over your hand while simultaneously exposing the correct side of the sleeve. Continue pulling the sleeve up the appendage until it is in place and flat over the seam.